So the snake cage accidentally snared a bird.
We watched it happen. We watched the bird come right up to the window and then go into there and then take a drink of water.
But now the bird has no idea how to get out.
And the cat.
Cat is watching. The exit, if you haven't found it yet, is the same way the bird came in, down at the bottom.
We're gonna let it go soon, but thought we'd capture this moment. What kind of bird is it, you think?
A small one.
Oh wow, its tail feathers are all splayed out really crazy. Oh, it's trying to get it.
Our pet bird is named
Katniss.
I was going to say Hedgewin.
Katniss is a better name.
Katniss is the worst name. I'm gonna finish Mockingjay this week. Time for bird pictures. Say goodbye, everyone. Wait. Will it see? Its mouth is opening. Oh!
Yay! Good job!
Freedom!
Go! Alright. And that's cut. Or not.
No, we gotta get the word from the cat. Cat, how do you feel about missing this big opportunity?
What? What's inside, Cat? What do you see? Nope.
Oh yeah? Could you repeat that for the cameras?
Where'd it go? This thing traps birds. Wait, is this is a great trap, though. I mean, check it out. A bowl of water, rainwater. Wow.